Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Now we are going to talk about world 10 beautiful countries. Switzerland, a landlocked country in Central Europe, is a nation characterized by its stunning landscapes, precision engineering, and unique political neutrality. It shares borders with 5 countries, France, Italy, Germany, Austria, and Liechtenstein, contributing to its rich cultural diversity. With a population of approximately 8 million, Switzerland is known for its linguistic diversity, with 4 official languages: German, French, Italian, and Romansh. The country's breathtaking topography is dominated by the Swiss Alps, making it a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts, with activities such as skiing and hiking drawing visitors from around the world. While the landscape is rugged, Swiss cities like Zurich, Geneva, and Bern offer a stark contrast with their modernity and cleanliness, consistently ranking among the world's top cities for quality of life. Switzerland is globally renowned for its iconic exports, including Swiss watches, known for their precision and craftsmanship, and delectable chocolates from brands like Toblerone and Lindt. Cheese is another culinary specialty, with Swiss cheese varieties like Emmental and Gruyere enjoyed worldwide. Switzerland's unique political system emphasizes direct democracy, where citizens have a say in decision-making through referendums and initiatives. The country also upholds a policy of neutrality in international conflicts, hosting various international organizations, including the Red Cross. Switzerland's efficient public transportation system, notably its extensive and punctual train network, is a testament to Swiss precision and innovation. This nation's harmonious blend of natural beauty, technological prowess, and political stability has earned it a distinguished reputation on the global stage. New Zealand, a breathtaking island nation in the southwestern Pacific Ocean, is renowned for its stunning natural beauty, rich Maori culture, and diverse landscapes. With a population of approximately 5 million people, New Zealand is known for its welcoming and friendly atmosphere. The country is divided into 2 main landmasses, the North Island and the South Island, both of which offer a wide array of outdoor adventures. From the geothermal wonders of Rotorua to the majestic fjords of Fiordland National Park, New Zealand's landscapes are incredibly diverse. New Zealand's indigenous Maori culture plays a vital role in the nation's identity, with numerous Maori traditions and customs still preserved today. The haka, a traditional Maori dance, is famous worldwide and is often performed at important events, including rugby matches. The country is renowned for its commitment to environmental conservation. Its national parks and reserves protect unique ecosystems and endangered species. The iconic kiwi bird, native to New Zealand, is a symbol of the country's dedication to preserving its natural heritage. New Zealand is also known for its agricultural exports, particularly dairy and meat products. The picturesque countryside is dotted with sheep farms and vineyards, making it a paradise for food and wine enthusiasts. In recent years, New Zealand has gained recognition for its handling of the COVID-19 pandemic, implementing strict border controls and quarantine measures to keep the virus at bay. Overall, New Zealand's combination of natural beauty, cultural richness, and environmental stewardship makes it a truly remarkable destination and a unique place to live. Norway, located in northern Europe, is a country known for its stunning natural landscapes, rich history, and high quality of life. It boasts a population of approximately 5.4 million people and covers an area of 148,729 square miles. Norway is renowned for its fjords, rugged mountains, and deep blue coastal waters, making it a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. The country's capital is Oslo, home to impressive museums, including the Munch Museum, dedicated to the famous painter Edvard Munch. Norway is a constitutional monarchy with a parliamentary system of government, and it has a strong focus on social welfare, education, and healthcare. Economically, Norway is prosperous due to its significant oil and gas reserves in the North Sea. The Norwegian government manages these resources through the Government Pension Fund Global, also known as the Norwegian Oil Fund, which is one of the world's largest sovereign wealth funds. Norwegians enjoy a high standard of living, excellent healthcare and education systems, and a strong social safety net. The country is also known for its commitment to environmental sustainability and is a global leader in renewable energy, particularly hydroelectric power. Culturally, Norway has a rich heritage, including Viking history, traditional music like folk and classical, and a love for winter sports such as skiing and ice skating. The Norwegian people take pride in their cultural diversity, social progressiveness, and breathtaking natural wonders, making it a remarkable nation in many respects. Canada is a vast and diverse country located in North America. Known for its stunning natural landscapes, friendly people, and high quality of life, Canada is a nation with a rich history and a bright future. Geographically, Canada is the second largest country in the world, spanning from the Atlantic Ocean in the east to the Pacific Ocean in the west. Its northern regions are characterized by Arctic tundra and glaciers. Canada's southern border is shared with the United States, and it has the longest coastline of any country. Canada is a constitutional monarchy with a parliamentary democracy. Its head of state is Queen Elizabeth II, represented by a Governor-General, while the Prime Minister serves as the head of government. The country is bilingual, with English and French as its official languages. Economically, Canada is highly developed and has a strong industrial and service sector. It is rich in natural resources, particularly oil, minerals, and timber. The country is also known for its universal healthcare system and social safety nets. In addition to its natural beauty, Canada is famous for multiculturalism and inclusivity. Its cities, like Toronto, Vancouver, and Montreal, are melting pots of diverse cultures and offer a wide range of cultural experiences and cuisines. Canada's education system is highly regarded, and it consistently ranks high in global quality of life indices. Whether you're exploring the bustling city life or enjoying the pristine wilderness, Canada has something to offer for everyone. Iceland, a captivating island nation in the North Atlantic Ocean, is renowned for its dramatic landscapes and unique culture. With a population of just over 350,000, it's one of the world's most sparsely populated countries. Iceland's stunning geography includes volcanoes, geysers, glaciers, and waterfalls. One of its most famous attractions is the Blue Lagoon, a geothermal spa known for its milky blue waters and healing properties. The country's capital, Reykjavik, is a vibrant city with a rich cultural scene, offering museums, galleries, and a lively music and art scene. Iceland is also a land of contrasts, where the midnight sun in summer brings almost continuous daylight, while in winter, the northern lights dance across the dark skies. The Icelandic language, with its ancient Norse roots, remains largely unchanged over centuries. Economically, Iceland is known for its sustainable fishing industry and geothermal energy production. The 2008 financial crisis had a significant impact, but the nation has since recovered and remains a stable and progressive society. Iceland's commitment to environmental preservation is evident in its national parks and protected areas. It's a land of breathtaking beauty, making it a must-visit destination for nature enthusiasts and adventurers alike. Australia is a vast and diverse country located in the southern hemisphere, known for its unique landscapes, wildlife, and culture. It is the world's sixth largest country by total area, encompassing a wide range of environments, from arid deserts to lush rainforests. One of Australia's most iconic landmarks is the Sydney Opera House, a masterpiece of modern architecture situated on the shores of Sydney Harbour. Another well-known natural wonder is the Great Barrier Reef, the world's largest coral reef system, which is teeming with marine life and offers incredible snorkeling and diving opportunities. Australia is renowned for its rich biodiversity, with unique species such as kangaroos, koalas, and the elusive platypus. The country's indigenous Aboriginal cultures have a history dating back tens of thousands of years and continue to play a significant role in Australian society today. The nation's capital is Canberra, while its largest cities are Sydney, Melbourne, Brisbane, Perth, and Adelaide. Australia has a high standard of living, a strong economy, and a well-developed healthcare and education system. Australians are known for their love of outdoor activities, including surfing, hiking, and cricket. The country's multicultural society embraces a wide variety of cuisines, making it a food lover's paradise. In recent years, Australia has faced challenges such as bushfires, droughts, and debates about climate change policies. However, it remains a unique and vibrant country that continues to captivate visitors from around the world with its natural beauty and friendly people. Costa Rica, located in Central America, is a vibrant and biodiverse country renowned for its natural beauty and commitment to environmental conservation. With a population of around 5 million people, Costa Rica is known for its stable democracy and lack of a standing army, emphasizing peace and diplomacy. The country boasts a diverse landscape, from stunning beaches along the Pacific and Caribbean coasts to lush rainforests and towering volcanoes in the interior. A highlight is Arenal volcano, which draws tourists with its majestic eruptions. Costa Rica's commitment to environmental sustainability is evident through its extensive system of national parks and protected areas, making up over a quarter of its territory. The country's diverse ecosystems host a rich array of wildlife, including toucans, sloths, and colorful tree frogs. Tourism plays a significant role in Costa Rica's economy, attracting nature enthusiasts and adventure seekers alike. Activities such as hiking, ziplining, and surfing are popular among visitors. Additionally, Costa Rica is a leader in renewable energy, with a focus on hydroelectric and wind power sources. Its commitment to environmental preservation and ecotourism has earned it a reputation as a global model for sustainable living. In summary, Costa Rica is a captivating destination that combines breathtaking natural beauty with a commitment to environmental conservation and peace. It continues to be a beacon for travelers seeking a harmonious blend of adventure and sustainability. Chile, a vibrant South American nation, is known for its stunning natural landscapes, rich cultural heritage, and economic stability. Located along the western edge of South America, it boasts a diverse geography, including the rugged Andes Mountains, the Atacama Desert, one of the driest places on Earth, and a lengthy Pacific coastline. Chile's history is marked by indigenous civilizations, Spanish colonization, and a struggle for independence in the early 19th century. Today, it is a stable democracy with a strong economy driven by copper mining, agriculture, and tourism. The country's culture is a blend of indigenous traditions, European influences, and modern innovations. Chileans are passionate about their national dance, the cueca, and their cuisine features iconic dishes like empanadas and seafood, thanks to its extensive coastline. Chile's natural wonders, such as the Torres del Paine National Park and the Atacama Desert, attract adventurers and nature enthusiasts from around the world. Santiago, its capital, is a bustling metropolis with a mix of modern skyscrapers and historic architecture. Chile's commitment to education has led to a high literacy rate and a strong emphasis on research and innovation. It is also a leader in renewable energy, harnessing the power of wind and solar resources. In recent years, Chile has faced challenges, including social protests for greater equality, but it remains a nation with a bright future, celebrated for its natural beauty, cultural richness, and economic prowess. Japan, an island nation in East Asia, is a captivating blend of ancient traditions and cutting-edge technology. With a rich history dating back thousands of years, Japan has evolved into a unique and influential global player. Geographically, Japan consists of 4 main islands: Honshu, Hokkaido, Kyushu, and Shikoku, along with numerous smaller islands. Its diverse landscapes range from snow-capped mountains, including the iconic Mount Fuji, to lush forests and picturesque coastlines. Japan is renowned for its culture, which encompasses tea ceremonies, traditional theater forms like Noh and Kabuki, and a profound respect for nature. The Japanese language, a complex system of characters and symbols, is deeply ingrained in daily life. Modern Japan is a technological powerhouse, home to industry giants like Sony, Toyota, and Nintendo. The country leads in robotics, engineering, and innovation, shaping global trends in electronics and automotive industries. Cuisine is a highlight of Japanese culture, with sushi, sashimi, tempura, and ramen being just a few examples. Japanese food emphasizes fresh, seasonal ingredients and aesthetics in presentation. Furthermore, Japan boasts a world-class transportation system, including the Shinkansen, bullet trains, and an efficient public transit network. Japan's history is marked by feudal periods, samurai warriors, and the influence of Zen Buddhism. It underwent rapid industrialization in the 19th century, leading to its emergence as a major global power. Today, Japan remains a captivating blend of ancient traditions and modernity, making it a must-visit destination for travelers seeking a glimpse into a unique and dynamic culture. Thailand, officially known as the Kingdom of Thailand, is a vibrant and diverse country located in Southeast Asia. It is renowned for its rich cultural heritage, stunning landscapes, and warm hospitality. With a population of over 69 million people, Thailand is one of the most populous countries in the region. The capital city, Bangkok, is a bustling metropolis known for its modern skyscrapers, historic temples, and bustling street markets. Thailand's official language is Thai, and its currency is the Thai baht, THB. Thailand is famous for its exquisite cuisine, which includes dishes like pad thai, green curry, and tom yum soup. The country's cuisine is characterized by a harmonious blend of sweet, sour, salty, and spicy flavors. The country's geography is incredibly diverse, featuring pristine beaches along its extensive coastline, lush jungles in the north, and fertile plains in the central region. Thailand is a popular tourist destination, attracting millions of visitors annually who come to explore its natural beauty, cultural sites, and vibrant nightlife. Thailand is a constitutional monarchy with a parliamentary system of government. The king is highly revered, and the country has a rich history of traditions and customs. In recent years, Thailand has faced various economic and political challenges but remains a fascinating and enchanting destination that continues to captivate travelers from around the world.